Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, the car is in a different place. It is finally at my house. Yeah. And as you can see, it's bright outside. Summer. Yeah. It took a while to get all the parts in, so it's pretty much as I left it. All the same junk, you know. But I'm gonna start getting the all these panels off, taking care of all this rust inside here, all stuff like that. Yeah, like that, and painting it up, getting her ready to throw the motor back in. So yeah, most of this I'm just gonna time lapse it. I don't bore you guys too much to death with it. And then we'll get on to taking care of stuff like that. I'm gonna have to put a new panel on there. And yeah, cutting these glorious rockers out. Alright. Well, I'll get back to you guys when I take some of this stuff off, and yeah. Alright. Let's get her going. rust on the front here, as you can see. I'm not going to bore you with that. It's just a bunch more grinding. And yeah, next time you see, we'll be on to paint. This is just preliminary. I'll do a thorough degrease with some more spray before I actually paint this. Alright, takes care of most of the bad rusting here. I'm gonna start cleaning up. So it's gonna be one part video. I'll put the painting in it, but you'll probably see that tomorrow. Alright, homies. Sorry guys, I went pure moron and started painting. As you can see, thank God I remember before I started doing that one, so let's get to it, I guess. Sorry, you know, just get home from work and you just get into it and you completely forget you should put a camera on your head. And this color is pretty close. Trim clad regal red. I mean, pretty good, eh? Oh, look at this guy with the parkour action. Paint for this part, you know. For the rockers, sure. For this, there we have it. Do a couple more coats, and yeah, I'm gonna start doing some wiring as well. Looks much better. Nope. Whoop.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
A little bit thick there, but whatever. Is what it is. Looking good. Now, I should get something to support that. Oh, I gotta take all this stuff off first. What am I doing? I gotta just drop all this crap. All right, subframes down. Oof. I'm gonna get new ones. I will. I promise. Oh, that didn't go there. Alright, so we got the pressure washer set up. Alright, we're gonna start grinding on her. Let's get this sway bar cleaned up. Alright, so just a final recap on the painting video. That's all painted, ready to go. I did this off camera, but I put the ABS module back in, hooked up all the lines. Boring stuff. You guys see me take it off. That's the now sanded and repainted mount. Same bushings, what, you know. So I'll put a before and after so you guys can see what it looked like before and after, but it's nice and clean now. All the rust's gone, so yeah. I'll catch you guys on the next video. See you guys later, and thanks.